Hey buddy! I thought I'd show you how I made my soup because you wanted to know. So I have tofu in here and I sprinkled about a tablespoon of chicken stock on that and just let it sit for about half an hour or more. Throw in some noodles and some bok choy and whatever veggies that you want, but just slice them really thin or use a peeler because they won't be getting cooked. So I've got some zucchini and some carrot and some coriander. And then we'll just put in a little bit of garlic powder, just a little bit of cinnamon, as much chili as you think you want, some onion powder, a bit more onion powder, and some pieces of star anise. Don't forget to take them out later because they're gross if you eat them whole. And we'll put in, you can either use some coconut oil or I really like sesame oil as well, but I don't have any here, so I'm going to just use that. And then throw in your boiling water. Just make sure you cover all your veggies and your noodles. And then when you're done, once that's all soaked up and your rice vermicelli has cooked, then you just throw in a handful of peanuts and then you just taste it. And if it needs more stuff, you just put more stuff in. And that's it. It's great. It's easy and it's delicious. I forgot to mention, also put some sweet chili in it because it's super good.